Imagine if you could take years off of your life on your lunch break. And I'm telling you, you can do it with an FDA-cleared non-invasive facial lifting procedure, Ultherapy, and Dr. Germain is here to tell us all about it. Now, Dr. G, for those of us that have no idea what we're talking about, what is Ultherapy and who's probably a good candidate for it?
Okay, so Ultherapy is very exciting because there's no other technology like it. It's the only and first FDA-approved device for actually lifting the face. Everybody wants their face lifted when they come to see me, and this can actually do it because it goes deep into the skin, right to the area that's targeted by plastic surgeons when they do plastic surgery.
Now, what are we looking at right now, Dr. Germain?
So we're looking at one of my patients. Her name is Barbara, and she's getting Ultherapy done. I wanted to show you how, she's very comfortable. It's non-invasive. You can see that there's an ultrasound screen right behind her, so we can see exactly where we are in the skin. And this way we can deliver the energy exactly to the area that we want to deliver it. And that's the unique thing about Ultherapy, is that you get a great result because you know exactly where you are in the skin.
Okay, now Barbara is awake for this entire procedure, right?
Yes, she's awake. She's very comfortable. You can see she's not, she's just relaxing.
And Barbara is actually here with us this morning in studio. Barbara, we could just ask you, Barbara, how did it go?
Oh, it was a really positive experience. You know, when I turned 60, I noticed everything started to sag, my brow, my cheeks, my jawline.
Look at this before picture of Barbara. Barbara, I'm not trying to say you didn't look good, but I mean, you look great now. I'm just saying. That's amazing. So
I've had a real uplift with it. Wrinkles weren't my big concern. It's really the sagging that was bothering me. And I thought the only solution would maybe be a facelift, and I didn't want to do that. So when I heard that Dr. Germain had this procedure where you can be uplifted, the skin firm, tightened, and toned, like in an hour-and-a-half procedure, I was really excited to try it.
I imagine. So it doesn't happen overnight, so I guess you start to see the results over time.
Right, over a 3 to 6 month period. And Barbara is very correct in what she says, and this is what most of my patients say. They say that their skin fits better on their face. They feel the envelope has been tightened, and even beyond the pictures, they feel that they look better in 3 dimensions, that the aesthetic, the global aesthetic is even better for their skin. Like she said, she feels her skin is brighter, she feels her skin itself is tighter, besides the lift that she got.
Okay, Dr. G, a lot of people, they have an issue with this neck. They say that their neck is also sagging. Does that also help with that?
Yes, it does. It's the turkey neck that nobody likes.
Oh,
and everybody
goodness.
who's
Who wants a turkey neck? That's the worst.
Yes, and it works very well for that. Actually, we have some befores and afters of people who, this is Lisa. This is another local person who came to get this done. And you can see this is her before. She came in for sagging jowls. Her eyebrows were sagging. You can see the left side of her face on her eyebrow is sagging a lot more than the right. And she was very unhappy with the way that she looked. And if you look at her after,
and this is not a facelift.
Right, this is not a facelift. This is 2 months after the treatment.
This is the first time I'm seeing these pictures. I'm sorry, so I'm as surprised.
She was shocked at this picture as well. I mean, this is a fantastic result. But look at her neck in particular. If you want to go back to the before, you see the before where her neck is really sagging. And then look at her jowls and look at her eyebrow. Look at the lift in her eyebrow that she got, especially on that left side.
So I guess good candidates for Ultherapy, not just women, but men as well.
Yes, men and women who have moderate to mild sagging of their foreheads. That's the thing that goes first, by the way. Your forehead starts to fall, and then your face starts to fall. That's why you get the jowls, and then you get that turkey neck, as you alluded to.
Wow, and I'm telling you right now, Dr. Germain is the channel for, I mean, you are the expert in skincare. So what she's telling you, I'm telling people, is true, and I'm just really taken aback by these pictures because I mean, we saw Barbara, but when you look at those pictures of Lisa as well, it's just amazing.
Right, and it's not a replacement for plastic surgery. I refer to plastic surgeons all the time.
Yeah.
But it's something that you can do that's non-invasive. You get good results if you don't want to go under the knife. A lot of my patients like to put off going under the knife if they've already had a facelift and they want to maintain their results, or they just want a little bit more oomph. They can certainly do this.
How long does that last?
It lasts forever. It puts you on a different track for aging. It actually slows down the aging process. I mean, you continue to age, but the results are there.
I can imagine. So you're having an Ultherapy party coming up?
Yes, this Thursday on the 8th of March at 6 o'clock. If people want to come by and learn more about it and see if they're good candidates, they certainly can.
And what's very cool about those events that you have over at your office, Dr. Germain, people can actually see the procedure happening and they can ask personal questions.
Yes, and we have patients that have had it done, so they can certainly find out all the ins and outs of the procedure.
My goodness. Well, I'm very excited about Ultherapy, and I hope that all the people out there are excited as well. Tell us where you're located, Dr. Germain, for those that don't know.
Yeah, it's very easy to find. 612 Seacoast Parkway. It's in Mount Pleasant. The number is 881-4440. You can find me at germaindermatology.com on my website. Please call and reserve your spot because spaces are limited.
Great. And then you're also on Facebook. You're also on Twitter. You're the social media queen when it comes to everything there is to know about dermatology.
That's because I'm excited. I'm excited about all this stuff. And this Ultherapy treatment is really exciting to me because it's so new and innovative. There's nothing else like it. I'm the only one in South Carolina that has it.
You're the only one offering it.
Yeah,
so we'll have to make sure to get on over there.
Well, they have it in LA and New York, and the celebs are doing it. Why can't we do it?
Why can't we do it? Well, Dr. G, it's always good to see you. Thank you so very much. This is Dr. Germain. She is our expert, so we really do appreciate it. And thank you so much for being here, beautiful lady. Look how pretty she looks. Barbara's so excited. Good for you, Barbara.
Thank you.
We're backing up with more Low Country Live. Stay with us.